Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of AI image generation with two popular tools, Mid-Journey and Leonardo.AI. Our mission? To see how they generate the image of MrBeast, a huge YouTuber. Remember, these programs won't copy faces without permission, so the generated image might not look identical to the actual person. MrBeast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, is a mega famous YouTube star with a whopping 239 million followers, known for his mind-blowing challenges and epic giveaways. So, let's go. In Mid-Journey, we are typing up the prompt, MrBeast. Very simple, and let it run. Alright, check it out. We've got MrBeast in action here. Out of these four images, I kind of prefer the second one. Let's pull up that second picture. Now, let's compare the picture we made with the real MrBeast. What do you guys think? Does our picture look like him? Alright, let's go. Let's switch over to Leonardo.AI now. It's the same deal. Just input a basic prompt like MrBeast and see what the generated image looks like. Just let it run and see what comes out. What do you think, guys? Which picture stands out to you the most? Personally, I'm leaning towards the one on the right. Let's grab a copy of that picture and make a comparison. Here we go, putting everything together. The image on the left is from Leonardo, and the one on the right is from Mid-Journey. The real person's image is at the bottom. Now it's up to you to judge. Which AI generation tool performed better? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Peace.